Hyperbolic functions. Today, I will discuss the derivative of hyperbolic functions. Yung function na to, similar siya sa trigonometric function, but instead of involving circles, magkaka-relate sila sa hyperbolas. The basic hyperbolic functions are sin hx equals to ex minus e negative x squared natin, and cos x equals to ex plus e negative x over 2. So, the derivative you must remember are d over dx sin x is equals to cos x. For number 1 yan. For number 2, d over dx cos x sin is equals to sin x. For number 3, d over dx tan hx is equals to sec squared x. For number 4, d over dx cot x is equals to negative CSCH squared x. For number 5, d over dx sec c and x is equals to negative sec x tan x. For number 6, d over dx cos x is equals to negative CHX x cot x. Very similar ito sa yung hyperbolic function, very similar ito sa trigonometric function. Pero yung hyperbolic function is hindi siya nag-involve ng negative. Madalas hindi siya masyadong nag-involve. Example niya naman is y is equals to sin x 3x, and using the chain rule yung gamitin natin, y prime is equals to cos 3x times 3. Another example using the product rule, chain and product. Y is equals to x cos x. Ito naman yung kanyang derivatives. Y prime is equals to 1 multiply to cos x plus x sin hx. Hyperbolic functions appears in physics. Ito yung mga madalas niyang labasan, kung saan siya lumalabas madalas. Physics, especially in cable tension problems, architecture, catenary curves, and special relativity. And that's all for hyperbolic functions.